Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And welcome to
FITZ'S Adventures.
Hey, today we decided to go to Young's Falls. It's right around the corner from where we're at. It's probably about 20 minutes away. Fall is here. Autumn is here at the same time as fall. It's been raining and got pretty cold the other night. So these leaves have just started to change. Kind of pretty. We're going to go down to the falls in a few seconds here and check it out. And we're with Max, our wonder dog. He is, you okay?
He's chomping at the bit to go for a walk.
Yeah, he really wants to go for a walk. He's been cooped up. And it's been kind of cold at night. We've got, the other night it was down to freezing. We had a freeze warning. So our heater that we had gotten when we were at Shelter Cove, I think, or the desert.
The desert.
Yeah. When we were at Joshua Tree, when we first started, we got this heater for like 40 bucks. And it worked okay for all of our uses. And then all of a sudden it stopped working the other day and it got really cold. Yes, we do have propane and we could have burnt propane to do that, but it sucks up a whole tank full of propane in just one night. So the electric heater is just a little bit better. So we got a new electric heater.
Yes.
And it's got a thermostat on it so we can leave it. And it actually, we've got it down to the lowest notch. It's not even that big, and it heats up the whole camper now, so that's a good thing. So we didn't know if we were going to stay or not. We still kind of not sure. Hopefully we will be able to. We'll find out probably in, I don't know, another couple days here.
Yes.
So the plan is for me to go into housekeeping from going in. What are you laughing about? I can make a bed.
I know.
I can clean better than you. Huh. I'm a better cleaner, honestly. We'll see. No, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see who they like best. My rooms would be perfect. Just kidding. Anyways, so yeah, so we're work is going okay. So let's go to Young Falls down here and check it out. I want to check out some of these leaves. As we pulled up, the wind was blowing a little bit and the leaves were falling out of the trees and it looked really pretty. And I didn't get out of the car fast enough before the wind stopped, and now the leaves aren't falling down yet. So maybe we'll catch that sometime. It looks like a nice day. Hopefully I can get the drone up. Hopefully it connects to everything and everything runs good and I can do a little drone flight today. But yeah, so we're out and about in Oregon. Where are we? What town is this?
We're
at Young's River Falls.
Young's River Falls.
But
it's part of Calstop County.
Calstop County.
It's the outer areas of Astoria, Warrington, Hammond.
Yeah, but I just didn't know what little town we're in. Doesn't say.
Doesn't say.
Okay, maybe we're in Warrington then.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty guys, so let's check this out, okay? Come on with us. Let's see, they got a couple signs over here. They're all moldy. Plus the sun's coming in a different angle. Yeah, unexpected discovery. Lewis and Clark is what it says. So Calstop is where we're at, the county. And the falls are right down here. Look at that. Here's Dione. Now here's some old growth. Look, the tree that you're standing next to right now, that's an old growth tree. That's a big old tree. It's so pretty. They use the roots as the steps going down. Cool. Yeah, these are all old growth. A couple 1,000-year-old trees. Little stream coming through here. How do I get down? That was a roundabout way to go down. My choices. I could have gone down this way, or I could have gone down this way. Great place to go swimming, obviously. We're in the mist. And it's a cold mist. What do you think? Pretty, isn't it? Max, you like the waterfall too? Good, thanks for taking me down here. All right, so behind us is Young Rivers Falls. Beautiful, beautiful place. And we have flew the drone a little bit, so I hope you enjoyed that. We're gonna go hike down the river a little bit and see what's down that way too.
Okay.
All right, man, let's go.
All right.
See if we can continue down the river. This would be a great place to go swimming in the winter, in the summertime. Can we walk downstream? Oh wow, check that out. Little cave. We're back to the parking lot up here. How pretty it is with the sun going through the trees. Young's River Falls. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed everything today. We had fun over at Young River Falls. It was pretty cool. I think it's going to be a great swimming spot when it gets warmer. Right now it's about 60 degrees, and with the wind blowing here at this park, Dione's a little cold. It's probably 55, and yep, so we're going to wrap it up for today. Hope you guys enjoyed our episode. Come back and see us next time on Misfits Adventures. We'll have a new video out soon. And you can write us meantime at msfitzsadventures@gmail.com, or see us on Facebook or Instagram. Y'all come back and see us, okay? Have a good one, guys.